gonna be changing my car battery from scratch. This is a Ytx16-bs. I'm gonna get an acid pack and the battery itself. Yep. So you want to get this and the acid pack. Alright. This is how it goes. First thing off, this strap comes off, and then this loads it up over here. There's already a filter on this, so I don't need a filter like the other one I had before. So let's begin. You don't want to puncture this, so all you do is slowly invert this. As you can see, it's like slightly apply pressure, and then that's it. And you just wait till it fills up. Takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Then you let it sit for about roughly 30 minutes and then charge it. So it's slowly dripping in. You see the bubbles, and this is toxic, so definitely dispose it into the toxic materials. This guy will be used afterwards to seal the caps. So while I'm waiting, and all it is doing is filling up the cells. Another probably 2 minutes and I'm done. And then you're gonna trickle charge it for roughly 4 hours. Positive terminal is red, negative is black, and I'll be going on top of that. So positive, negative when I'm all done, and then I'll charge it over with this pretty cool charger I got. I'll put the link in the description. It has both terminals.